Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair, yeah? MacBook. Check here, MacBook Air. It's not that new, but still we have to fix it. So this job is coming from a local repair shop. They book in the laptop for £100. That means I have to fix a MacBook for £50. Feels bad, man. Feels bad. But yeah, it's still fine. It's still, a decent amount of money. Let's plug the charger, and we have the green light. And with the orange light, check that. Let me plug a USB meter. I forgot to plug the USB meter. 1 second. Yeah, found it. So the USB meter, and we plug the charger, and it's taking 100 milliamps, 200, and it's going up. So this laptop is charging fine. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. 1 amp, check that, 1 amp. 1.2 amps. So the laptop is charging fine, but it's not coming on. Keep press the power button. Dead. It's dead. Okay, let's open the laptop quickly. Let's try to figure out what is the problem with this laptop. Probably is the keyboard. That's what I think. Before checking, yeah? Probably is the keyboard. Okay, so the back cover is out. It's looking proper good inside. Check here. Like new. Huh? Okay, let's see if it's the keyboard. Let's see. So the multimeter is here. We need a ground here. And we need a plus. 3.4, pressing the power button is going to 0. So the power button is good. It's not the power button. Maybe it's the lead sensor? No, it's not the lead sensor. Let's see the main power rail. Present, not present. The fuse is here and we have 0 volts. Why we have 0 volts on the fuse? On the other side of the fuse we have 8 volts, but not here. So based on the fact it's charging, the 3.4 is present, but the main power rail is missing. The charging is fine because the 3.4 is present, so the EC chip, the SMC chip has voltage, and is speaking with the battery. Let's get the power supply like usual. Let's switch the voltage down. The current about 2 amps, and we have a short. This is a shorted motherboard. So it's taking 2 amps. Huh? What is that? So it's which one? Can't believe. A capacitor! A shorted capacitor! I can't believe. I can't believe. So here is some liquid damage or what? All good, the capacitor removed. You know, I edit a video because you'll call me the dentist again, right? That's what you'll do? You'll call me the dentist? You want me to replace the capacitor? I mean, we can do it, but you know, try to keep the job shorter. I mean, you know, the laptop it will work great without that capacitor. So what we are doing now we are fixing the fuse. Yeah, so the fuse is burned. We have to use a proper calibrated wire in order to fix the fuse. Battery is plugged in, no one told me. The fuse is fixed. You see, a 10-minute job. 10 minutes job. Plug in the battery. Let's press the power button. Pressing the power button, and the fan is no spinning. Plug in the charger. Let's check the main power rail. It is present. It's not. How you can screw up a fuse? Okay, let's check together. Something goes wrong with the fuse, or the fuse got burned instantly because it's not enough calibrated. So what went wrong with my fuse? There's no solder here. So here it is solder, I can see it, yeah? But here is no solder. Check here. You can see it. Perfect. Now the fuse is perfect. Pressing the power button and the laptop is coming on. I can't believe. We fix it. We fix it. Plug in the charger. Charging fine, working fine, okay? 10 minutes job, fixing a Mac. It's a user there. Okay, all good, it's working fine, it's working great. Let's power off. Power the laptop off, and the laptop is charging fine, it's working great, yeah? You don't really need that capacitor. Look how many capacitors are there, huh? A lot. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I will not keep you here. It's a dodgy job. I don't know if it's a dodgy job. It's a 10 minutes repair. Don't judge me, you know. I never judge you. You know, every time people left comments, you know, even though the comments was like far away from the reality, I never judged you, yeah? So don't judge me. You know, it's just, you know, I'm showing you like a quick way to fix something. Yeah, remove the capacitor, rebuild the fuse, done. So, you know, you have a happy customer. You have a happy customer, yeah? You fix the laptop. You fix it, right? So, everyone should be happy. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. I will say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, like always. And see you on the next one. Bye.